Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm working on the Supra, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm adjusting my parking brake. I just put new brake shoes on it, and I notice it still rolls back whenever I have the parking brake fully engaged. In order to adjust that, you don't need to take off your caliper or your rotor slash drum. There's actually an access port. It's not that hard to do, it's a little bit tedious, but yeah, let me show you. Let's get into it. All right, so I had the wheel off. You're gonna see this hole right here. It's gonna be like this little rubber gasket that you just take some pliers and you pull it out. And then you want this hole to face down. When you put your drum slash rotor back on, there's like these little notches on your wheel hub. And there's gonna be a bigger, rounder notch that you are supposed to line this hole up with. And this is your parking brake assembly or adjustment. So I hope you can see it. Inside of there is gonna be some gears, or a small gear. That's really hard to see. You're gonna see it right in there. You can see it better in person. With the gears, when you're on the driver's side, I haven't done the passenger side yet, but you're just gonna put like a flathead screwdriver in there, and then you're gonna rotate it up. So rotate it like this until you can't move the rotor anymore. And then once you do that, you're gonna loosen it up about 8 clicks. So you're just gonna go the opposite way, count 8 times when you do that. That's how you adjust your shoe. You get it to where your rotor locks, then you back it off a little bit until it can spin freely, and then you do the same thing to the other side, and then your e-brake should be pretty good. Now, if you're installing brand new brake shoes, e-brake shoes, you're gonna do the same procedure. Then you're gonna drive down the road, make sure there's no one around you. You're gonna go about 30 miles an hour. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pull on your e-brake, don't deselect the button, just keep it pressed in. You're gonna drive it for a quarter mile about 3 times. Then you're gonna release it, you're gonna do it again, 30 miles an hour, and that's gonna bed your e-brake into here. Right now I'm just gonna adjust it, that way I don't roll down the hill. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm at the point where it's completely locked. So I'm just gonna go in here and then just click it 8 times down. Okay, I got it about 8 clicks. It might be 9 clicks, but now it rotates smoothly. So yeah, let me go ahead and do it on the other side. All right guys, I just got done with the passenger side. That literally took me under 5 minutes to do, from taking the wheel off and just going through adjusting it. It's actually really easy. So yeah, you can get this done probably within 20-30 minutes if you're taking your time, from the time of jacking up the car, putting on the jack stands, taking off your wheel, adjusting it, and then putting it back on the ground afterwards. About 30 minutes you can get this done. And one more thing, I don't think I mentioned, you want to throw 2 lug nuts on. That way the rotor is level whenever you're moving it, because if you don't have these lug nuts on, it'll like wobble. It won't be straight, it'll like be a little bit crooked on there, and it's going to give you a false alignment reading on there. Like, it's just, you can feel a little bit of friction on it, which is what you want. So by the time you drive down the road, just pull up on that e-brake a little bit and you bed it in. It's gonna wear away some of that pad material. It won't have all that contact on there. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these, and let me know how it worked out for you in the comments. See you later.